Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace using DNS records, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. On your GoDaddy dashboard, locate the Domains section. Click on the domain you wish to connect to Squarespace. Scroll down to the Additional Settings section. Select Manage DNS from the drop-down menu. In the DNS management page, you will see various record types. To connect to Squarespace, you will need to add specific DNS records. First, note the two records provided by Squarespace. These records typically point to Squarespace servers. Next, locate the Records section in your GoDaddy DNS management page. Click on Add to create a new record. Select the type from the Record Type dropdown. In the Host field, enter @ to signify the root domain. In the Points to field, enter the first record from Squarespace. Set the TTL to the default value. Click Save to store this record. Repeat the process to add the second record. Again, select it as the record type. In the Host field, use it once more. In the Points to field, enter the second record from Squarespace. Click Save to finalize the second record. Next, you will need to add a name record. In the Records section, click on Add again. Select Name from the Record Type dropdown. In the Host field, enter www. In the Points to field, input ext-cust.squarespace.com. Set the TTL to the default value. Then, click Save to create the name record. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.